Walking around, looking for a way, but no one tells me which way to go. I'm caught up in a world, a labyrinth, a maze, where yes men could easily be no. I ask them no questions, they give me no answers. Following the wise, but they're walking in Pampers. Give me a cigarette, smoking my cancer. Drink the pain away, but I still have no answer. I'm lost on the road. Don't know which way to go. I'm losing my mind, losing control of the wheel, and I'm swerving on and off the road. I'm lost on the road, but survival is a must. Don't know who I can trust. I'm living in a rush. I don't understand the fuss. My brain is about to bust. I think I'm losing it. I might be losing it. I just might losing my mind. And I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. Man, I need a clue before I run out of time. Am I losing it? Am I losing it? I think I'm losing my mind. Am I losing it? Am I losing it? I think I'm losing my mind.
I'ma need counseling. I lost my mind and still haven't found it. I used to be so well-rounded, but now I tiptoe on hell's boundaries. Baby, aka crazy, trapped in a maze, therefore I am amazing. Block be the doc, I'm just a patient. Ain't even with navigation, I'm lost on I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'ma keep that styrofoam with me.
That styrofoam.
And I don't know what's wrong with me. Gorilla Soul on the song with me. He must be gone with me.
I think I'm losing it. I might be losing it. I just might losing my mind. And I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. Man, I need a clue before I run out of time.
Am I losing it?
Am I losing it? I think I'm losing my mind.
Oh, am I losing it?
Am I losing it? I think I'm losing
My mind.
I'm making this money just to go spend it. Living the good life, hope nobody ends it. But who are you kidding? Hey, who are you lying to? You know if they want you, best believe they will find you. And now and it's no one to talk to, it's nowhere to run to. I'm going in circles, I'm talking to myself. It got me blazing this purple, and I think I'm losing it. I might be losing it. I just might losing my mind. And I'm so confused, I don't know what to do. And I need a clue before I run out of time. Am I losing it? Am I losing it? I think I'm losing my mind. Am I losing it? Am I losing it? I think I'm losing my mind.
Gorilla Soul, Young Wade, Black I see, did it, Young Moolah baby.
I get a feeling there's gonna be a riot.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly prints.
Check me out. Check me out.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day.
devastation, generation separation, situation dissipation. Shot, another shot, the tender vessel crushing. Pop, the heart is cold, the gun is hot. Shot, I'm not sure if they done or not. I'm not sure that they wanna stop. The gun is cold, the blood is hot. Shot, shot. The hearts are weak, the guns are not.
You hear a whistling overhead. Are you alive or are you dead? It's only Thursday.
What time is it?
You feel the shaking of the ground. A million candles burn around. Is it your birthday?
What time is it?
Tomorrow never
Get
comes.
tomorrow on the phone.
Too late.
Try to reach tomorrow. Get tomorrow on the phone.
Tomorrow never comes.
I need to see tomorrow.
Too late.
Try to reach tomorrow.
Think tomorrow's come. I think it's too late.
Another day. Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is another day.
Yeah, it's that real this time around. Immortal Technique, Revolutionary Volume 2. It's on now, motherfucker. Lock and load. This is the point of no return, I can never go back. Life without parole, upstage, shackled and trapped. Living in the hole, looking at the world through a crack. But fuck that, I'd rather shoot it out and get clapped. I've gone too far, there ain't no coming back for me. Auschwitz gas chamber full of Zyklon B. Just like the Spanish exterminating Tainos, raping the black and Indian women, creating Latinos. Motherfuckers made me out of self-righteous hatred, and now you got yourself a virus, stuck in the matrix, a suicide bomber, strapped and ready to blow. Lethal injection, strapped down, ready to go. Don't you understand? They'll never let me live out in peace. Concrete jungle, guerrilla war out in the streets. Nat Turner with the sickle, pitchfork and machete. The end of the world, motherfucker, you not ready. This is the point of no return, and nobody can stop it. Malcolm Little when he knelt before Elijah Muhammad, the comet that killed the dinosaurs, changing the earth. They love to criticize, they always say I changed for the worse. Like prescription pills when you misusing them, nigga. The Templar Knights when they took Jerusalem, nigga, and figured out what was buried under Solomon's temple, Al-Aqsa. The name is not coincidental. I know too much, the government is trying to murder me. No coming back like cutting your wrists open vertically. How could the serpent be purposely put in charge of the country? Genetic engineered sickness spread amongst me. My people are so hungry that they attack without reason, like a fucking dog ripping off the hand that feeds him. Immortal Technique is treason to the Patriot Act. So come and get me, motherfucker, cause I'm not coming back. This is the point from which I can never return, and if I back down now, then forever I burn. This is the point from which I can never retreat, cause if I turn back now, there can never be peace. This is the point from which I will die, succeed, live in the struggle. I know I'm alive when I bleed. From now on, it can never be the same as before, cause the place that I'm from doesn't exist anymore. This is the point of no return, nigga, you better believe this. Mary Magdalene giving birth to the children of Jesus. The evolution of the world, bloody and dramatic. Human beings killing monkeys to conquer the planet. The kingdoms of Africa and Mesopotamia. Machine gun your body with depleted uranium. This is the age of microchips and titanium. The dark side of the moon, in contact with aliens. I started out like Australians, criminal minded, broke into hell, tore it down and built a city behind it. Southpaw, murderous methodology, nigga. Remember that I'm just a man, don't follow me, nigga. Cause once you pass the point, you can never go home. You gotta face the possibility of dying alone. So tell me, motherfucker, how could you die for the throne when you don't even got the fucking heart to die for your own? It rains acid, one day the earth will cry from a stone, and you'll be looking at the world living inside of a dome. Computerized humanity living inside of a clone. This is the place where the unknown is living and real. Wormwood, the Planet X, and the Seventh Seal. Universal truth is not measured in mass appeal. This is the last time that I kneel and pray to the sky, cause almost everything that I was ever told was a lie. This is the point from which I can never return, and if I back down now, then forever I burn. This is the point from which I can never retreat. Cause if I turn back now, there can never be peace. This is the point from which I will die, succeed, live in the struggle. I know I'm alive when I bleed. From now on, it can never be the same as before. Cause the place that I'm from doesn't exist anymore.